Hi, Sister Jaya. Why are you putting the book back so carefully?
Because our class materials are important, we must take good care of them.
That's true. When we keep them clean, everyone can use them longer.
Yes, and if we return them to the right place, our classroom look neat.
I also like to share the marker and not break them.
Me too, caring for class things so respect.
Let's remind our friend to do the same.
Good idea, Carrie. Make our class better.
Bye bye. Bye bye.